the former Great Northern, now BNSF, and this is Highway 2. And I turn down into the canyon where the Java Creek flows. Beautiful area on the edge of Glacier National Park. Beautiful trees. I'm standing here on the hillside above the summit of Maria's Pass. This train is westbound. I haven't seen a westbound since about 6:30 this morning or something like that. I don't know why there's been so little traffic today. Maybe it'll pick up this evening. I haven't seen any eastbound since the Amtrak this morning, and now it's like, I don't know, must be 5 o'clock this evening? I don't know what time it is. It's getting late. We've seen hardly any trains. So this train is almost to the summit. Actually, it passed the block notice summit. The track at the summit is double track, as you see here. Through the trees there you can see the trailer. The truck's just in front of it. This train is now at the summit. We have waited here all day to get these pictures. I'm up here on the side of the hill in the forest, worried about bears. Might see another deer like I did this morning here. I've just been sitting and reading and waiting for treats like this. Finally, we get them. So I focused only on the train, but let's raise our sights a bit and look at these gorgeous mountains which are on the south side of Glacier National Park. This is pretty impressive up here. Train's going awfully slow as it crests the hill here. It could be going faster. I wouldn't be surprised if it's going to stop up at the other light where the track goes back to single track. I don't know what's going on here. We'll see if we have any eastbounds come now, or more westbounds.